guys, Sal with details. A big question that people always ask, what type of tire shine we use, what type of tire shine, how we apply. So we're gonna go through those things. We have a few different application methods. We're gonna walk you through each one, and we're gonna show you the situations that we use them in. Everything that we'll be using today, it's all gonna be linked in the description below. So our first method, we got natural finish. This is an interior dressing, but we use it sometimes as a tire dressing. It doesn't have extreme shine, but it has a nice sheen look to it. And here, we got a regular old microfiber towel. The microfiber towel is my favorite method. For some reason, microfiber towel, it just goes on better in my opinion. So here, we like to spray the towel. And the reason I like to use this towel, on the majority of all the rims, all the tires that are this size. This tire, there's no pattern. It's a flat tire, so the towel works perfect and we get to rub it in there. And the towel, it's always less messy. Method number one. Method number two, you can use a microfiber application pad. I like to use these. This is my favorite application when it comes to the low profile tires. And again, we spray the applicator pad. Same thing, work it in. Very simple. And all these methods, when I'm applying the tire shine, I'm doing it very lightly. We don't want to rub this stuff off. We're trying to just make sure that it stays on top. Hey guys, quick tip: whatever you're using for an applicator pad, towel, we recycle everything down. So we're using all these application pads, towels that have been used for some type of dirty work, and this is the last step before they get tossed. The last method we're going to show you is the brush application method. Now, we see this is common. People, you have the small stick, the big stick. In this case, we have the big stick. Well, we like to use this majority of the time is when we have the big trucks, the big 4x4s with the big tires and the big knuckles. That's harder to get with the application pad or the towel. Here, you spray the brush. And the same thing, we just apply smoothly, not a lot, for even application. I don't like using these on this type of tire because you tend to go through more, and it doesn't just stick as well. So again, this method is primarily used for the big 4x4 wheels and the big trucks. You don't have to use all these three methods, but it's always good to have a couple tricks in the bag. I know some people use the aerosol cans, paint gun sprayer for the tires. All those things work. This is what we use. This is what most effective for us. So if you like these, try them out. Let us know what you think. And if you don't use these, put it down as a comment. I know how you apply tire shine in your tires. Thanks for tuning in. Sal with details. Like, subscribe, share.